With the Shark UltraLight family of vacuums, I can take on any mess, but what happens when the mess gets stuck or causes overheating? I want to show you what to do to make sure you're properly maintaining your vacuums, as well as how to clear a clog if one should arise. When both vacuums are powered on and in the upright mode, the Brushroll indicator light located here should always be lit green. This means the floor nozzle is functioning properly. If the light is red and the Brushroll is not spinning, this could mean there's something caught in the floor nozzle. To check the floor nozzle in your Shark Vertex Ultralight, step on the floor pedal to detach the wand and hand back, then flip over the floor nozzle with the brush rolls facing up. Use your hand to spin the brush roll and check for clogs. Then pinch and lift the two tabs at the top to access the nozzle intake, using a flashlight to check for and remove any blockages. Once the blockage has been removed, close this tab by pressing down firmly on both sides until it clicks into place. To remove the soft roller, slide the eject roller button on the side of the floor nozzle. Then wipe the brush roll and nozzle for debris. We also recommend to rinse the roller in cold water to remove any additional dirt. Ensure that it is fully dry before using it again. To reinsert the roller back into the floor nozzle, locate the side of the roller with the latch and hold it with your right hand. Insert the left side of the roller in first and then use the latch to snap the roller back into place. If you suspect you might have a clog in your Shark UltraLight with self-cleaning brush roll, have a coin handy to open 3 locks and remove the sole plate. To do so, insert a coin and turn it left to unlock. Then use your hand to spin the brush roll and check for clogs. You can also check the intake with a flashlight and remove any blockages. To reattach the sole plate, insert it back, then turn the coin right to lock it back into place. Make sure the sole plate is secured on the nozzle by checking for any raised bumps on the outer edges. Next, detach the wand from the handheld vacuum and with a flashlight, check the wand for blockages and set the wand aside. With the handheld vacuum, remove the dust cup and check the airways for blockages. Once you've checked the entire vacuum, assemble the vacuum together, ensuring all parts are clicked into place. Plug the vacuum in and check to see if the brush roll is spinning again and if the light turns green. With this one-of-a-kind vacuum family, Shark has got your whole home covered. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.